We could come straight down on the inside and then.
Oh yeah, you're gonna weld down straight down here, then go across.
Yeah,
I got you.
Come
Yeah,
down,
we can
and
do
there's
that.
gonna be another a longer angle go all the way across.
Yeah.
And it'll be, you know, it'll be turned up opposite of this one.
Yes, yes.
But 12 inches is gonna be plenty. See, it ain't gonna be as low as what that is.
That'll work then.
We'll cut a spore 12 inch long and.
Let me go. Well, how far out you gonna come over here? Oh, that
See
ain't
how
that
long-
long. There, hang on. Let me get over. Let me get
How
over.
long is that angle there? It'll need to be.
Whoa. There's a tray right here now. But this angle goes all the way out to the outside of the tray, which is outside of the truck. You see what I'm saying? It's
Yeah, what's over there? Oh, that's just.
for boards.
Yeah, that's just
Yeah.
that tree.
Yeah. But you can't go past it out here. You can come right straight down right here, but that'd be your length of your over here. You know how you're gonna go past it over there with a longer angle.
So we done made it to Crimson Truck Pride. We didn't do our pre-trip already, so let's get ready to head on to Chicago. Let's ride. Good morning, family, and welcome to another edition of Crimson Truck Pride 2. We back out here at Mike's shop again. We're going to get him to install us a tire rack for our 2 tires so we can quit putting them on the trailer. So let's get out here and see what Mike got for us. We headed that way. Over here cutting the angle iron for the rack. This is Mike Helper over here. He works in the shop with Mike. So Mike got him cutting it up. So he'll be getting this together in a minute. I just finished cutting the pieces. right, so Mike done finished with this tire rack, and actually there's enough room in here, as y'all can see, to put 2 tires on here. Plus, I can slide the tires up where y'all see that gap at, and I can put my tarps on the end. So it's a good job. Another job done by Mike and what's your name again? Steven. Perfect job. So y'all know Mike, give him the phone number, address when they need some more work done like this.
205-640-2658.
Make sure y'all come see him.
Marquetta Road, Moody, Alabama.
Moody, Alabama. Y'all come see him. Y'all seen the work that he done on this. Y'all seen the work before then that he done on my bracket. I mean, for my rack, for my generator. So he does real good work and don't half step. He makes sure it's done right.
And roll tide.
And roll tide. That's right. All right, so we're gonna end this the end of the project. Going painting it, like I said. If y'all new to the channel, make sure you go check Mike out. He does real good work. He done the work for the generator, and then he just did that, build me that. So great guy. He'll get to it and get it done. With that said, y'all, we're gonna end this video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that like button, make sure you hit the share, and make sure also you go subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one. Roll Tide Roll, baby. For life. Peace.